Hello everyone, good evening. In this session, we are going to explore Odoo's most powerful and time saving feature, that is the industry templates. If you are running your any furniture store, any retail store, or any kind of the business, here this feature gives you an ability to set up your ERP in just one single click. Using these features, Odoo install the modules automatically, do the settings automatically, and even more. It configure all the products regarding with your industry automatically. So let's consider if you having the business of furniture store. Odoo even loads the data based on that furniture industry. So there is no need to install the modules from the scratch. Do the settings and create the products at manually at the scratch. Odoo will do it for in just single click. So let's have a closer look how it works with that installation of the industry of that furniture stores. Currently I am in my database and just I am going to click on that apps. In the apps itself, currently we are going to look into that how furniture store works, that we have in that physical store and we are selling the furnitures to our customer. So here you can see the options for that industries. We are just doing those practice that for that furniture, and here I'm just going to click on that activate. Okay, so here I am trying to load the demo data. So demo data contains all the products regarding with that our furnitures. Meanwhile, the installation will be there, the products, all the modules regarding with that POS, the modules that are required for that furniture store will be installed automatically. So here there is no need to install all the modules manually, it does for you automatically. Here products will be created like furniture, sofa set, it will be also that created automatically, even warehouse also. So let's look into that. Wait for a while, system is going to install those all modules one by one. So it takes time to load the data. Meanwhile, let's understand what the use case is. That we having the business of that furniture store, we are selling those furnitures to our customers, but this is our only display store. We haven't those bulk products in that display store. So here all the products will be in our main warehouse, and based on that demand, our main warehouse is going to resupply all those products to our display POS or display warehouses. Okay, so let's look into that. Here you can see that all the modules are automatically, even that warehouse also. Let's look into that products. Here you can see that all the products also install automatically. Just let me make those count 0 for more. Here you can see that, let me update. I'm just going to do that for 0. Okay, now thing is that I am doing this practice for our one product, which is the sofa double seat. Now here we can see that we have that one warehouse. Let's look into our point of sale. That point of sale name is our furniture store. This is our store and this is related with our warehouse, which is our POS one. But this is just responsible for the display products. So our another warehouse will be a main warehouse. So let me make it those name as a main warehouse. Okay, now this, let me give the short name main. Let me save it. Our another one will be the POS one, that will be resupply the products from our main warehouses. So here you can see that now all settings are done. Now here what happens, I am going to do those practice for one product, which is the sofa double seat. Now here what happens, that we are selling those products from warehouse, that is the POS one, but the products are again not available. So we are going to resupply from that main warehouse, and if the products are not available in the main warehouse, we are going to buy from our vendor. So let me click on that inventory. Here you can see that I'm just going to do that, and the purchase, you can see that that vendor is also set automatically. So there is no need to do the settings for that, even products also. Now things are clear. Now again, one more thing is that we have to apply those reordering rule. So just let me create those reordering rule for these products. So if the products are not available, then what we are going to do, we are going to resupply from our main warehouses, and let me save it. Here just let me activate that trigger as well as vendor. I'm just going to click on a new, and if the products are not available in main warehouses, okay, then we are going to buy from our vendor that we have configured. Everything is here and we are just going to save it. Now we have a customer who just arrives at our furniture store. Open register, we are just going to open the register. The cash is 0 and now he has a demand for that sofa, double seat, and there is a 25 quantity. Okay, now just we are selecting that customer, which is the excellent furniture, and we are payment from that cash. But along with that, here you can see the options for the SIP later. As the furniture we are not going to deliver at the same time, it will be delivered later, so we are going to use that SIP later. On which date we are going to deliver? On the 29th. Confirm, payment will be there, and just we are going to validate it. Okay, so it will be validated. Okay, but before that, let me do one settings over here. Let me go to the companies. If I will close this register, system will ask for 9476.25. I'm just going to, and we have to just go into configurations. Let me add Gujarat. I'm just going to save this. Let me go back, and now I'm just going to close this register, adding those difference 9476.25 and closing this register. Okay, now we have closed our registers and we are just going to backend. Okay, here our already order is there. If we will look into our order, here you can see that picking is in waiting as the products are not available in our display warehouses. So we have already triggered those reordering rule. So what we are going to do, here the products are not available in the main warehouse as well as in the POS warehouses. So first of all, main warehouse will be buy from our vendor, then it will be delivered from main warehouse to our display warehouses. So as just let me make it that run scheduler. For that, let me activate the developer mode. I am doing that rescheduler. Run scheduler is there. Okay, now the run scheduler is there. Let me do it again. So now let's check that purchase order is created. Going to purchase RFQ. Let's check that. Here you can see that the sofa double seat 25 quantity is there. We are just going to confirm it and we are going to receive in our that main warehouses and validate it. Now thing is that now that products are in our main warehouses. Now based on that resupply, it will be transferred from our main to POS. Now what I am going to do? Now let's check. We are in the inventory, which is going to do the warehouse. Now we are into the main. So let's check the delivery order. So here you can see that it's for the 25. We are just going to validate it. Now let's check for that our POS warehouse. It will be 1 and we are just going to validate it. So now let's check the picking for that POS. We are in the POS. We are in orders and here let's check the picking. Now it will be ready as the products are available. So now just we are going to validate it. So here this is the just simple case, but using that feature you can see that it saves our time. You can try from your sides and you can contact us for more use case. Thank you.